Hey, Matthew Haviland here at Keller Realty. I am at the Founders Reserve community in Harbor Pines today to give you a construction update. Last time I was here, there wasn't any homes or any progress started yet. So I invite you to join me here. We're going to take you through the community and give you an update. Little cul-de-sac right here showing you some of the homes. Golf course right behind us there, Harbor Pines. You have ranch homes and two-story homes. So Founders Reserve, they have ranch homes models available as well as two-story, as you see behind me here. And this is a golf course community, so these homes are right on the golf course. Most of the lots available. Phase 2 will be released very soon here from DR Horton. So if you're interested in Harbor Pines, in this community, you want new construction, definitely want to contact me so you can get on the waiting list, and I'll let you know as soon as Phase 2 becomes available. Pricing is to be determined. You're probably going to be looking in the $400,000 to $500,000 price range depending on the model, and a fantastic location here in Egg Harbor Township. One massive construction zone. See all the foundations are laid here, getting ready for Phase 2. These are all beautiful home sites right on the golf course, right backing up to the golf course. Construction site here. See what kind of progress they're making here. Thanks for watching this video update on the Harbor Pines community, the Founders Reserve built by DR Horton here in Egg Harbor Township. If you're looking for new construction, golf course community, beautiful homes, two-story and ranch options, contact us and we'll get you more information, and actually check the link in the video description. We'll have all the details on the models and on the available homes. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates from me, and please share. Thanks for watching.